Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable volume adjustment when mouse wheel scrolling. First method is, press and hold DPI button for 5 to 7 seconds and that should stop that behavior. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand mice and other pointing devices, uninstall all devices one by one. After uninstall, press Alt and F4 keys 2 times. Down arrow key select Restart, click Enter key to restart system. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.